Hey everyone, want to export your diagrams from Excalidraw? Excalidraw lets you export your work in multiple formats, including PNG, SVG, and the editable Excalidraw format, making it easy to share, present, or continue editing later. In this full guide, I'll show you how to export diagrams from Excalidraw in 2026. So let's get started. First, open Excalidraw and load the diagram you want to export. Yeah, this can be a flowchart, mind map, wireframe, or any other drawing you've created. Next, click the Export button or open the Export options from the menu. Excalidraw provides several export formats depending on how you want to use your diagram. Select the format that best fits your needs. PNG is ideal for presentations and documents, SVG is perfect for scalable graphics and printing, and the Excalidraw file preserves your diagram for future editing. Before exporting, review the available settings. You can choose options such as a transparent background, export only the selected elements, or embed the editable scene data inside an SVG when supported. Now click Export or Download, choose a save location on your computer, and wait for the file to finish downloading. Yeah, your diagram is now ready to share or use in other applications. Finally, open the exported file to make sure everything looks correct. If you exported an SVG, you can zoom in without losing quality, while PNG files provide broad compatibility for presentations and documents. And that's how to export diagrams from Excalidraw in 2026. Whether you're sharing your work online, adding diagrams to documentation, or keeping an editable backup, Excaladraw's export options make it quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.